Hello, my name is Azusena Torres. Today I will be modeling the cool tool I chose, which is Coogle. One way that I would use Coogle is for vocabulary words. The vocabulary word I chose for this modeling is going to be the word weather. So first you'll start by pressing create diagram. And I'll be doing the word weather. So right here in the center you would just type the word weather. And this is when you can start asking your students what are some words that they identify when they think of the word weather. And whenever they give you a word, you would just press the plus. So one word they might think of is snowy, sunny, windy, rainy. What's another word? Cloudy. And yeah, so these little circles right here allow the tool to move. Like how these two are a little too close together. Let's move them. And if you click on the color itself, they can change. So we can change sunny to yellow. We can change windy to purple. And now you can kind of just ask your students to elaborate more on these words. Like you can ask them, what are some other words you think of when you think of the word sunny, which they might say hot. They also might say something like clear. What else might they say? They might say bright and warm. So with cloudy, they might just say gloomy, drizzly, and dull. For windy, they could say breezy and strong. Rainy, they could think of lightning, hail, thunder. They could think of the word wet. They could think of the word storm. For the word snowy, they could think of blizzard. They could think of snowfall. What else might they think of? They could think of freezing or cold. Yeah. So this is an example of how I would use this in my classroom, just to break down vocabulary words to students. This could also be helpful if you have a word that has multiple definitions. This tool can also add pictures in if you want your students to have visual aids. But yeah, this is a great tool to use for mind mapping as well as flowcharts.